How to replace battery in 2022 Buick Envision. First, open the hood. Pull the hood release lever inside of the vehicle, then open the hood completely. The battery is located on the driver's side of the engine bay under a protective cover. Second, remove the battery cover. Most Envision models have a plastic cover over the battery. Pull upward carefully. Some trims may use clips or tabs, and set the cover aside. Step 3. Disconnect the negative terminal first. Using a wrench or socket, disconnect the negative terminal, move the cable safely away from the battery. This helps prevent accidental shorts. Step 4. Disconnect the positive terminal. Be careful not to touch metal tools between both terminals. Step 5. Remove the battery hold-down bracket. There's usually a retaining bracket at the base of the battery. Remove the mounting bolt, lift out the hold-down clamp, and without removing this bracket, the battery will not come out. Step 6. Remove the old battery. AGM batteries are heavy, so lift carefully with both hands. Lift straight upward, avoid tilting the battery too much, and keep it upright. Step 7. Install the new battery. Place the new battery into the tray in the same direction as the old one. The 2022 Buick Envision commonly uses a 94R AGM battery, around 850 cca. Step 8. Reconnect the battery. First the positive terminal and then the negative terminal. Then install the battery bracket and the battery cover. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.